Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your INFINIX Hot 12i. First of all, open your standard application on this phone, AE Gallery, this one. Not Google Photos, not this application, only standard application, AE Gallery. So opening, and here we got 4 photos, so for example, I wanna hide this one, press and hold to select, and this one too. Okay, so now when we select our photos, on the bottom right corner we got more option, tap it and choose move to X height. Okay, and now we need set up our X height application, so tap start. Firstly need set up our password, maybe 1122 like this. Tap OK, remember our password. I remember. So, and now need tap set up security question. Choose maybe what is your favorite team, for example, and enter our answers. And then to confirm, tap OK in the top right corner. And we hide our 3 photos. So for opening these 3 photos, go into tools and choose X height. Enter our password, and here go into pictures, and we got our 3 photos here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.